Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 3. There's a link down in the description, or you can search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission for many purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 109. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 5, and 8. We've got a 1 here and an 8 here, so this is our 5. That 8 makes this our 1, 8. If we look at this bottom row now, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. For this row, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 1. For this column now, we're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got a 3 here and a 9 here, so this is our 4. That 9 makes this our 3, 9. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 7, and I don't see any help. So 6, 7, 6, 7. For this box, we're missing 5 and 7, and I don't see any help. So 5, 7, 5, 7. For this column, we're missing 3, 5, and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 6. No help here, 3, 5, 6. 6 here, so 3, 5. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 7. No help here, 3, 4, 7. 3 here, so 4, 7. 3 and 4 here, so this is our 7. That makes this our 4, 3. And that 7 makes this our 6, 7. And that 6 makes this our 5, 6. And that 5 makes this our 3. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. For this row now, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 6. That 7 makes this our 5, 7. For this box now, we're missing 4, 5, and 8. We've got 4 and 5 here, so this is our 8. 4 here, so 5, 4. For this column now, we're missing a 9. For this column, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. For this box now, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. For this box, we're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got 5 and 7 here, so this is our 4. 7 here, so 5, 7. For this row now, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. For this row, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. And to finish out this box, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 6 and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.